Dear students, we have already seen linear equations in one variable. So in the first video where we have introduced the whole topic, you have already seen the left hand side, right hand side, equality sign, variable, coefficient, etc. For example, in this equation, this is an equation. This is left hand side, this one is the left hand side, this is right hand side, and x is the variable. Now, if you have been asked to solve the equation, then you have to find the value of the variable. That's all. Solving the equation means finding the value of the variable. One more thing you have seen, that if there is an equality sign and you have plus this side, if it comes this side, it becomes minus. If it is minus, then it becomes what? Plus. If it is multiplication, division, and if it division, then it becomes multiplication. It's like this. One more thing you should always remember, which is not generally mentioned, that if you want to write 3x is equal to 2x plus 18, you can always write 2x plus 18 is equal to 13. Meaning, if you want, you can write like this also. 2x plus 18 is equal to 3x. Whether means the complete left hand side is written as right hand side, and right hand side is left hand side, then it hardly makes a difference. So this is what we have done so far. We are going to solve this equation and we have to find the value of the variable. In this case, the very first thing we do, we try to get all the variables together. So in this case, we'll get this 2x this side. So what will we write? You will have 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. This 2x has been shifted to the left hand side. In other words, you can say it has been transposed to the left hand side. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x. So x is equal to 18. So what is the solution? Answer is 18. अगर ये साधारण समीकरण है, इसको समीकरण बोलते हैं, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, राइट हैंड साइड है, x को चर बोलते हैं, x की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हमने 2x को लेफ्ट साइड में कर दिया, 3x minus 2x को हमने x लिख दिया, and the answer is x equal to 18. Now question number 2. We have 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. At first you should know what is the variable. What is the variable here? Variable is t. And what actually we have to do? We have to find the value of the variable. One. Number two, we should try our best to get all the variables together. That is on one side. So in this case, we would love to get this 3t in the left hand side and this minus 3 to the right hand side. We have already told, or we have already seen, that if 3t is shifted to the left hand side, what you will have? You will have 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5, and this minus 3 goes that side, becomes what? Plus 3. So what you will have? You will have 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t, and minus 5 plus 3 you must have seen in integers. So this is equal to how much? Minus t. Therefore t is equal to minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. So the answer is t is equal to minus 1. Did you understand? अगर आपका समीकरण है 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5, 3t को लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आइए, 5t minus 3t is equal to minus उधर गया तो minus 5 plus 3 हो गया, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, 5t minus 3t 2t, 2t मतलब 2 into t है, t का मान हो गया minus 2 by 2, that is equal to minus 1, therefore t is equal to minus 1 is the answer. You have an equation 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. In this case, you would like to get all the variables together and all the numerals together. So in this case, this 3x is shifted to the left, that is transposed to the left hand side. So it becomes 5x minus 3x is equal to plus 5 minus 9, because 9 is going to right hand side. So this is equal to 5x minus 3x is equal to how much? 2x, and 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Remember, again it is the difference of two integers. So it is 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore answer is x is equal to minus 2. We have another equation, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. This is left hand side, right hand side. You have to find the value of the variable. That is, you have to solve the equation. At first you should know what is the variable. Here in this case, you must have seen somewhere variable is x, somewhere variable is t. In this case, the variable is z. So what actually we are going to do? We'll keep all the variables together. So 4z, 2z comes to the left hand side. It becomes minus 2z. This is equal to 6, and 3 goes to the right hand side. That is transposed to right hand side. So this becomes 6 minus 3. This becomes 2z is equal to 3. So z is equal to 3 by 2. So the answer is z is equal to 3 by 2. Is it clear? क्या करना है, अगर 4z + 3 = 6 + 2z है, 2z इधर आएगा, 4z - 2z, 6 - 3 हो गया, यहाँ 3 हो गया, ये 2z हो गया, z = 3/2 हो गया। We have to solve 2x - 1 = 14 - x. Here the variable is x. What actually we are going to do? We will get this x this side. So this is 2x and minus x comes this side, it becomes plus x. Here it is 14 and 1 goes to the right hand side, becomes how much? Plus 1. What become? It becomes 2x plus x is equal to how much? 3x, 14 plus 1, 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 3 5 ja 15. So the answer is x is equal to 5. A very important thing. If you want, you can put the value 5 here. So right here, just see 5. Left hand side, if you want to check. Left hand side, if you want to check whether you are correct or not. So left hand side, it is 2x minus 1. 2 into 5 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. What is right hand side? It is 14 minus x. It is 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So any equation can always be checked also by putting the value of the variable here. आपके पास इक्वेशन था 2x - 1 = 14 - x, x को लेफ्ट साइड में ले गए, 1 को इधर लेके आए, यहाँ 3x = 15 हो गया, x का मान 15/3 हो गया। अगर इसको आप चेक करना चाहते हैं कि सही है कि नहीं है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को ले लीजिए, 2x - 1 है, जहाँ x है वहां पर क्या रख लीजिए, x की जगह पर आपने क्या आंसर निकाला है, 5 रख के देखिए, ये कितना हो गया, 9। राइट हैंड साइड में 5 रखने पर 9 हो गया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बायां पक्ष दायां पक्ष आपस में बराबर हो गए। इस तरह से हमने कह दिया कि ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व हो गया। You are given now slightly different question. You have 8x + 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1 in a bracket plus 7. What actually we have already discussed, that all the variables should be kept on one side and all the numbers should be kept on the other side. But before that, if something has to be done, we should try to do it. As in this case, here the things are not very clear. So let it simplify. Let it be simplified. So once you simplify it, what will have? It is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3. Bring inside. So this becomes how much? 3x minus 3 plus 7. What you will have? You will have 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4 minus 3 plus 7 is equal to minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 4. It's not necessary that no, you should always get this 4 right hand side. If you want, there is equal numbers or even with variables, they can be cancelled. So you can cancel. What will happen? You will have 8x minus 3x is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 5, which is equal to 0. So the answer is x is equal to 0. अगर आपके पास इक्वेशन है 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1 plus 7, पहले इसको आप सरल कर लीजिए, सरलीकरण कर लीजिए। इसके लिए आपको 3 को अंदर लेके जाना होगा, तो 3x minus 3 हो जाएगा, 7 और minus 3 का मान 4 होता है, यहाँ 4 वाले से 4 कैंसिल, 8x और 3x है, 3x को लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आएंगे, 5x बराबर 0 होगा, x का मान 0 by 5 यानी x का मान 0 होगा।